A wonderful plant you can put into your garden every year are marigolds. They are perfect for bringing pollinators into your garden as well as keeping pests out. Today I'm going to show you how to save your own marigold seeds so you don't have to buy them anymore from a big box store or a nursery. Once your flowers have seen their better days and the flower heads are actually dried, you want to remove them from the plant. You will want to make sure that you're taking the flower heads from a healthy plant that has produced well for you all season. Each faded marigold bloom contains many thin seeds, which are long, thin, black at one end, and cream colored on the other end, and they're about a half of an inch long. Each marigold bloom will contain about 25 to 35 seeds. See this one right here? It still has a little green and hasn't totally dried, so you don't want to remove one at that stage. Wait until it totally dries out. You can remove the seeds by either rolling the dead flower head between two fingers or by pulling them out. Once they've been removed, I like to leave them either in a container or on a paper towel for up to 7 days to make sure that they are thoroughly dry. Once thoroughly dry, you can take your seeds and put them into a baggie, a bottle, an envelope, or however you choose to store your seeds, and leave them in a dark, cool, dry place until it's time to plant for the next season.